In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a map to your Wix site. Initiating this process, firstly, finds yourself in the Wix editor, a wonderful place with numerous tools that will aid us in achieving our objective. Don't be overwhelmed by the rich interface. We will be walking through each step slowly. Our journey begins by locating the plus icon on the left-hand side of the screen. This icon could also be referred to as Add Elements and serves as a gateway to a plethora of engaging tools and elements you can incorporate into your website. Giving this icon a simple click will launch us into the next phase of our tutorial. Upon clicking the plus icon, you are exposed to an extensive selection of widgets and elements. However, don't fret as our much-needed maps won't be hard to find. Navigate your attention to the search bar and type in Maps. This will sieve out non-relative widgets and elements and leave us with a selection that is more tailored to our needs. Among the search results, we are looking out for Google Maps. This trusted map service is the one our tutorial employs, and we're just a click away from integrating it with our Wix site. With a swift mouse gesture, select Google Maps. After choosing Google Maps, you're given the freedom to customize and choose a display style that corresponds with your website's design. For instance, a choice might be the pink spots style, amongst others. Take your time to choose a style that effectively complements your website's theme. Following this, we now want to decide on where to position our map. Grasp onto the map widget and drag to your desired location on the website. Its placement really depends on the layout of your site and where you believe it can be most prominent and useful for your site users. Up next, we delve into managing the locations for our map. Locate and click on your recently added map widget, then select Manage Locations. Here is where you will have the opportunity to input your business address into the provided field, effectively marking where your establishment is located on the map for your site visitors to see. Extras in this interactive guide are the options you have to alter the title and even include an optional description for your location pin. With this, you can provide site users with a bit more information regarding your location. We are at the end of our simple tutorial. And so, after you are finished with all adjustments, it would be wise to preview the page. By doing this, you would be able to perceive how your map looks and operates from a user's perspective. Spot any areas you'd like modified? No problem. Go back and tweak until it's to your liking. Easy as pie, we have added a map to our Wix site. Isn't that amazing? So go ahead, give your users that extra navigational help they need.